Welcome again, folks. This is your boy Ferris Deloney, and I am coming to you live here from my home office, bringing you a closer look at the Advertising Bait affiliate back office. Now, most of you guys don't know that if Advertising Bait is a free opportunity. It is a free opportunity to join as an affiliate, but if you want to utilize the videos for the marketing side of your business, which I highly suggest, if you're going to be selling a product, you have to buy the product as well. Here's a look at my back office and some of the videos they have, and all of the, because I'm a member of Ameriplan and Motor Club of America, and I think I want to combine both of them. I don't want them to be redundant. People say, how are you going to do that without it being redundant? Well, before I get off track, you'll get the heart of the other one builds a nice, solid residual income for the long haul and for lifetime. And Ameriplan, where MCA gives you $80 upfront commissions, that's cool. But that's, always going to be that bite here, that short term. And you can see a lot of other people, they're hustling. You always having to, kind of feed the machine. And that's what any business I know. But the next month over, what do you have to look forward to? If you stop promoting it, what do you have to look forward to? And I'm not knocking it, because I love the both of my companies. I do. They're both benefits companies. I think one provides motor club assistance, which I personally use. And when you with somebody, they provide you with rooms and vacation assistance and all that other stuff. Why I looked at one that way, and the other one with the medical side and the long-term and lifetime residual income. And that means that once you die, you can will your income to your kids. Now, they go cognizant together. I don't know why I couldn't just put them together. I don't know why I couldn't put them together and make them work, along with this right here. Now, along with Advertising Bait. Advertising Bait pays out a $14 commission. Ameriplan pays out depends on whatever, it pays out a $9.98 commission on some things. And then you have and then it pays out a $15.90 commission on the top. So the two $24 programs pay $9.98, and then the other ones pay $24. Let me just be correct. Okay, let me get the calculator. $9.98, and the other. Advertising Bait, once you start getting people in, they actually had a test. They had a contest last month, and let's see, and we had some people come in that were in that. First prize was $4,000, and the second prize was $1,000, which I didn't know was out there like that. That money was out there like that, because if I had known that money was out there like that, man, I would have been swimming towards it left and right. You underdig me? But these are my little two sales right here, and mind you, I have not. I started, I think, May 5th, and then my first commission came somewhere, I think, on the 24th. And then one a day. So I'm a believer. I was with another travel company, but I have since canceled them out. And here's what I tell you too: read the damn fine print when you sign up with something. If somebody's not going to pay you upfront for the stuff that you do today, which I thought we were getting paid off for per memberships that we were doing, don't do it, because you need to get paid off the work and the avo that you put out immediately, not when you make a rank. I want to get paid out immediately when I get paid. And this pays you out immediately. You have to wait for your $50 to build up. But this is also reoccurring residual income. So I'm going to take my solo, my pages, and everything that I have, can combine them together and create one cash generation system. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with it and how I'm going to combine the three. I think the three. Yeah, I'm going to combine the three to make it work and come up with a system that will constantly pay out and help you build really lifetime residual income while getting some heavy upfront cash and kind of building up off of that and utilizing this as an incentive, utilizing advertising beta as an incentive to bring people in. Because who won't want to, and check this out, they got something hot coming. Whoo, they got something hot coming. Imagine you being able to give away a cruise. And mind you, these are not like the little where you do the the presentation, timeshare presentations. None of that crap. None of that crap. You get to go off on a nice trip, pay some minor fees and stuff like that, and you move and you get it and you get gone. So yeah. Yep. That's right. $34. I'm gonna get really busy with this. I wasn't really promoting it that hard. I wasn't really using the paid traffic sources, but today I think I'm gonna buy some traffic and I'm gonna send it to it. I just have to get an email swipe from somebody or think of something smooth to say, and we'll see what happens. But anyway, this has been your boy Ferris. I want to remind you guys to be blessed, not stressed, and always be motivated by success. And I'll see you guys on the beaches of the world. And mind you, this is $34.40. I'm finna get paid, y'all. My faith factor has grown. I got a little bit more to get that first $50 pull out, but then think about it. That's a recurring payment each and every month. That's going to be coming to me and could be coming to you. All you have to do is click that link, sign up, and then become affiliate, and yeah, start getting paid. Anyway, peace. All right, me some chicken. I don't want chicken. But I don't want no pizza neither, because that shit's hard on a brother's system. Burgers, it is. I'm gonna come back and smoke this weed. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna smoke this weed and drink my daggone me fruit juices and go to bed.